In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop an image in a Constant Contact email campaign. Let's start by opening your email campaign in Constant Contact. From your dashboard, head into the campaign you're currently working on so you can make changes in context. This keeps everything consistent with your layout and branding and helps you see exactly how the image will look alongside your text and buttons. Next, click the image you want to crop. When you select it on the canvas, you'll see editing options appear. A quick tip before you crop: if you have access to a higher resolution version of the image, use that. Cropping trims away parts of the picture, and starting with a clear, high quality image helps maintain sharpness after you resize. Now open the image editor. Look for an edit or pencil icon near the image or in the toolbar. Clicking it will launch Constant Contact's built-in editor, so you can make precise adjustments without leaving your campaign. Inside the editor, choose the crop tool. This usually looks like two overlapping right angle brackets. Selecting it adds a resizable box over your image, showing you exactly what will remain visible when you're done. Adjust the crop area until the image looks right. Drag the corners or sides of the crop box to include only what you want to feature. Keep your subject centered or use the rule of thirds by placing focal points near the intersections of the grid if it's visible. Watch your edges so important details aren't cut off, and leave a little breathing room around like faces, logos, or products. If you're pairing the image with text, consider how the new proportions will sit in your layout. Wider crops often work well for headers, while tighter, square-ish crops can fit nicely in multi-column sections. Take a moment to check balance and visual weight. Does your eye go where you want it to? When you're happy fuss with the framing, save the cropped image and preview the email. Click Save or Apply in the editor to confirm your changes, then return to your campaign and open the preview. Review how the image looks on both desktop and mobile if that option is available. Make sure it appears crisp, aligned, and consistent with the surrounding content. If something feels off, go back into the editor and fine-tune the crop. Small adjustments can make a big difference in clarity and impact. That's it. By opening your campaign, selecting your image, using the crop tool thoughtfully, and previewing the result, you'll create cleaner, more focused visuals that elevate your email.